Hi guys, welcome back to Cynthia's Kitchen. On today's video, we are going to be making Isi Ewu. Isi Ewu is popularly found in any African restaurant or in any fast food joint in Nigeria. We'll be preparing this meal with a goat head. So guys, what I will do is to wash and clean the goat head very well with my iron sponge. So guys, my goat's meat has already been washed and cleaned and neat. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to spice it up to give it a yummy taste. So guys, I will be telling you the name one after the other when I'm using it, so you won't get it twisted. So guys, let's go to Cynthia's Kitchen. So guys, it's time for me to season the goat meat. So what I will be putting in some goat meat seasoning, some salt, 2 Maggi cubes, and some onions. So this is the goat meat brain. I'll be placing that in a foil paper, wrap it and cook it aside. So I will just stir everything together. So I'll be adding a lot of water to cook it up and cover it for some time. While the meat is cooking, so we'll be mixing our sauce for the goat meat. I will just put in some water in my potash. Come back to take the goat brain because it has already been cooked. So guys, it's time for us to make the sauce. So I will be mashing the goat meat brain and my fresh pepper together until it gets smooth. So guys, after then I will be adding some palm oil. Then I will be putting the liquid potash and I will be mixing it. You will see the color of the palm oil will change from red to orange color. So just mix it up like that. So guys, after then I'll be adding the nutmeg, mix it up and mix it up. So guys, I'll be putting the goat meat brain and the fresh pepper which I mashed together. I will just be mixing it together until it becomes thicker. You can see the goat meat brain changes the color and also make it more thicker. So guys, I'll be adding the stock from the meat, the goat meat water. I will be adding it to it to make it light. I will be using it to lighten it up. Depends how you want your sauce to be thick. If you want it thicker or more lighter, it's just for you to add a little bit of water. So after then, I will be taking out the unwanted parts of the goat meat, like the bones. So I'll just be taking out the bones, and I'll be recutting the goat meat. I will cut it into a tiny pieces, so when eating it, it will be very easy. So guys, it has already been mixed. I'll be adding a little bit of Utazi to mix it up. So guys, I will be adding the goat meat into the sauce. All I have to just do is stir together, then you are ready to eat your delicious Isi Ewu. So I will be beautifying this Isi Ewu with onion and Utazi leaf. So guys, this is the end part of this video. Thank you for staying with me, and please do try this at home because it's a very delicious meal. Bye bye, and see you next week Friday.